Hello, how you doing?
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Alright, we get to the good part. It's food time! Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. Alright, so obviously I'm too busy eating to talk, so here's the dub over. I'm eating a skirt steak with ahi tuna, The skirt steak was a tiny bit dry, but the sauce tasted so good that it didn't really matter, to be honest. Food was actually pretty good for American. I was actually surprised. Look at that mashed potato, the bread, and especially dessert.
Very well
man.
done.
I'm gonna cut into the dessert for you right now.
Sauce is really good.
Thanks for watching. I filmed it all on my iPhone since my GoPro got stolen. But hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.